Hello friends. Welcome to Study Mood On. In this video we are going to solve one question of reasoning which is very important for all competitive exams. So let's start. The question is: study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting around a circular table. 4 of them faces towards center while the rest of them faces opposite to center. Each of them was born in a different month of the same year starting from January to August but not necessarily in the same order. T was born in February. S, who is the second youngest, sits opposite to P. The persons who were born in June and March are sitting opposite to each other. R, who was born in the month of May, is an immediate neighbor of P. The person sitting third to the right of U was born in April. W is the youngest and sits opposite to T. V faces opposite direction of U. Both the immediate neighbors of P are facing towards the center. Q sits second to the right of T. T is sitting third to the right of S, who faces outside. S is an immediate neighbor of Q. W faces towards the center. V is older than U. There is only one person sitting between S and U who is not immediate neighbor of T. So from the given information we got to know that: first, there are 8 persons sitting circular. Second, 4 of them faces towards center while the rest of them faces opposite to center. And third, the month is given to us, that is January to August in the same year. So yes, there are 8 months and 1 person is born in any of these months. So here we are given T born in February. So we now left with 7 months. Moving further, S is second youngest, hence S must be born in July, because the youngest one will be born in August. Here we are given that S sit opposite of P. So let's make a circle of 8 persons first. So this is our circle, with 8 person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if S is sitting over here, then P is opposite of S, therefore he will be sitting over here. Also S was the second youngest, hence his month is July, so I write July above S. So F is July and T is February. Next is the persons who were born in June and March are sitting opposite to each other. Now we don't know whether the June will be right of S or left of S. Moving ahead. For more clue, now we are given that R, who was born in the month of May, is an immediate neighbor of P. R's month is May. Being neighbor of P, R can be born before or after P. Again moving up, yeah. The person sitting third to the right of U was born in April. Still couldn't find. Moving further, W is the youngest and sits opposite to T. Well, here we got something that W is the neighbor of S, because he born in August and S born in July, and also W is opposite of T. But we don't know on which side W will be sitting, whether right of S or maybe the left of S. Moving further, V faces opposite direction of U. Okay. Both the immediate neighbors of P are facing towards the center. Okay. So we mark IT, so we marked center for neighbors of P are facing towards the center. Now, moving further, Q sits second to the right of T. Okay. T is sitting third to the right of S, who faces outside. Well, now over here we get to know that S is facing outside, so I marked outside for S. Also T is sitting third to the right of S. So S's third right is over here, so I write T over here, and also the month of T is February, so yeah. Moving further, we knew that W is the youngest and sits opposite to T. T's opposite is over here. So here W is sitting, and he is born in the month of August. Also W faces towards that center. So I marked center for W. Also we knew that S is an immediate neighbor of Q. Q is sitting on the right hand side of S. Now, R, who was born in the month of May, is an immediate neighbor of P, so we marked R over here. He born in the month of May, also he is already facing towards center. Cool. Now, we are now left with the person U and V, since they both are facing opposite to each other. Also V is older than U. Also the persons who were born in June and March are sitting opposite to each other. So here we got to know that V must be born in the month of March and U born in the month of June. Hence now we are left with only 1 month, that is January. so P born in the month of January. H now R is facing inside, T is facing inside, W is facing inside and V is facing inside and rest are facing outside. So yeses, we have now completed our circle. Now moving further to the that we are supposed to solve the basis of the puzzle that we have solved. Question number 1. Who among the following was born in the month of March? A. QB RC VD PE W. From the figure that we have made we got to know that V born in the month of March, hence we tick on option C. That is V. Question number 2. Who among the following sits third to the left of the person who was born in May? A. PB RC TD SE W. From the figure that we have made we got to know that R is facing towards center, hence his legs will be here, so the person sits third to the left of R's. Yes, so correct option is D. Question number 3. Who among the following is the third youngest person? A. QB RC TD PE U. From the figure that we have made we got to know that third youngest would be the person who born in the month of June, so the person born in the month of June is U, so the correct option is E. Question number 4. How many persons facing towards the center are older than Q? A3 B1 C2 D4 E. None of these, since Q born in the month of April, so the person older than Q would be born in the month of January, February and March. But person born in the month of January is not facing towards the center, and rest two are facing the center, hence the correct answer is 2. So we tick on the option C. Question number 5. The person sitting third to the right of P was born in which of the following months? A. January B. February C. August D. April E. None of these, from the given figure that we have solved. Since P is facing outside the circle, so the right of the P will be over here. Now the person sitting on the third right is 1, 2, 3, so the person is W, and he born in the month of August. So our correct option is C. Thank you friends for watching. Please like and subscribe Study Mood On. We're also planning to add more weekly video content to our channel. Again, thanks for watching our videos. Feel free to leave feedback below, good or bad. How can we improve? What kind of videos would you like to see? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Study Mood On YouTube. And also friends, please share the video as much as you can. Stay connected.